Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a simple and quick method for hiding tags in a WordPress post. To get started, open your web browser and log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, go to the Posts section on the left-hand menu, where all your published and draft posts are listed. Select the post you want to edit and open it in the main editor. After the editor loads, look over to the right-hand side where the Settings panel appears. In this panel, you'll find several post options, including the section that displays your tags. Here, you can see all the tags currently applied to the post. If you want your post to look cleaner on the front end, just delete the tags by removing each one from the field. When you're done, make sure to save or update the post so the changes take effect. It's always a good idea to preview the post afterward to confirm that the tags are no longer visible. And that's all there is to it. Hiding tags in WordPress is that easy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.